All right, so here's the storage side. It's not half bad. I mean, it's still in pretty decent shape. Hey, is that neodymium magnets? Oh, it came off your badge. Oh, is that the ones from over there?
No.
Oh, where did those come from?
They came from work.
Oh.
They're sticking to the window.
So, next thing we gotta do is find instructions.
Where are the keys? Keys?
Where are the keys?
Where'd you get it from?
Harbor Freight. Okay, so now we gotta find the keys so we can get the doors open. Alright, found the keys. But, your stuff, it comes with a decent assortment of stuff. More crap in there. Then pull those out. Instructions on how to put it together. Yeah, just gonna put it there. Over there and open them up. Sorry about the shakiness, but I'm still wearing my work shirt, and I'm recording this on my cellular phone, as the cool kids say.